Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Explain. So today I have got the Samsung Galaxy A10. So let's do unboxing and quick review of the device. So first let's quickly read the specification of the device. Galaxy A10 comes with 6.2-inch TFT HD Plus display. Since A10 is a budget device, so Samsung has skipped Super AMOLED tech display for the Galaxy A10. Galaxy A10 is powered by Exynos 7884 chipset with 2GB RAM and 32GB of inbuilt storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB via microSD. On the back we get 13MP primary camera with f1.9. Unlike M10, we only get single camera on Galaxy A10, and there is a 5MP selfie shooter with f2.0. And battery capacity of Galaxy A10 is 3400 mAh. Now let's unbox and see what we get inside the box. So inside the box we get another box which contains some paperwork which most of us never read. Galaxy M10, normal earphone, charging cable, and a charger whose output rating is 5V and 1A, and a SIM ejector tool. Let's keep all these devices aside and take a look at the Galaxy A10. So on the right side we get volume rockers and a power switch. On the top we get a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. On the left side we get SIM and microSD slot. On the bottom there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, a micro USB charging port, and a primary microphone. Now let's boot the device. So we can see 6.2-inch TFT HD Plus Infinity V display at the front. We don't see vibrant colors and inky blacks like we used to see on a premium Samsung AMOLED display, but still display is good with decent viewing angles. Galaxy A10 runs on Android Pie with Samsung One UI interface on top. Let's quickly look at the camera interface. So we get a 2x digital zoom on the Galaxy A10. Under low light the image quality is decent. Talking about the video, both rear and front camera are capable of shooting 1080p videos. So this was the quick unboxing and review of the Galaxy A10. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to smash the subscribe button so that you don't miss on this type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.